Do you know that yoga was created by men and only to be practiced by men? That's how yoga was created. The ancient yogis, who were only male, they developed this practice, and I was only taught one by one, from the teacher to the student, and I was only for men. And it was like that for thousands of years. It's only recently that women have, taken this practice, and now they dominate the industry of yoga. And it's interesting because there is a stigma about yoga and like men who practice yoga. And actually it was designed for men, by men. And now men feel a little bit, awkward practicing yoga because they're too stiff, because they can't move, they don't have the flexibility. And in reality, yoga was developed for that purpose, for men to be more flexible in the body, so they could sit comfortable to start their practice of meditation. So it's interesting. I'm developing this 5-week program, yoga program for men. So we can talk about all these aspects, and we can learn what yoga really is and how it can really benefit men in so many different areas, physical areas, mentally, emotionally, sexual areas, performance, stress, anxiety. Yoga is the first ever personal development practice ever created in the history of the humankind. It's a complete, it covers everything, and its purpose actually is to achieve connection with the self and connect to oneness and transcend to something bigger than us. You don't have to have that intention, right? But even if you just practice for the physical aspect of it, it will bring all the right benefits. One of my mentors many years ago, she used to say, it doesn't really matter the reasons why you practice yoga. It's going to benefit you anyway. So yoga is a spiritual practice, but you don't have to be spiritual to practice yoga and to get the benefits of it. So I invite all men that are watching this video, or if there is a man in your life who you think might benefit from this practice, I really encourage you to invite them along. It's a 5-week program. It is for men who have never ever practiced yoga before, but also for men who are practicing yoga but have never had any formal training, and they need help with their alignment and correct certain things. Yoga can become a very dangerous practice, same as breathwork, if we don't know how to do it properly, if we don't have the right guidance. So alignment is key, and for most men it's very difficult to find alignment. We go to a class and we get started there and we don't really know what we're doing. We try to follow, we stay behind. So this is a class to actually learn how to do it properly, how to align your body so you practice safely. Not only that you can get the benefits of it. So we will learn how to stretch, how to bring flexibility, strength in the core, and all these different things. We also will cover a bit of meditation, breathwork, of course, is always part of it, philosophy, and a lot of beautiful things. Also, it's a community of men. We already have about 8 men that booked. We're going to meet every week, so it's going to be a great community of like-minded men as well. So if you know about anyone that might benefit from this, I really encourage you to pass it along, or just to share on social media about this program for men. We need to bring more men into yoga so we can bring more balance in society, and become more heart-led society as well as a community. Much love, everyone. I hope to see you soon. Bye.